In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free Trello board. Trello is a fantastic tool for project management and organization, allowing you to create boards to track tasks, set deadlines, and collaborate with others. Let's get started and see how you can create your own Trello board in just a few minutes. First, open your web browser and navigate to Trello.com. Once you're on the Trello homepage, if you're new to Trello, you'll need to sign up for an account. It's free and you have the option to sign up using your Google account or by providing your email address. If you already have an account, simply log in to access your Trello dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Trello home page. Now, to create a new board, head over to the upper corner of the screen and look for the Create button. Click on it and a small menu will appear. Select Create Board from the options provided. This is the first step in setting up your organizational tool. You'll be presented with a new window where you can enter the name of your board. Choose a name that accurately represents the purpose of the board, as this will help you and anyone else involved to easily identify it later on. Next, you need to set the board's visibility. Trello offers three options: private, workspace, and public. If you choose private, only the people you invite will be able to see or interact with the board. The workspace option allows anyone within a designated workspace to view the board, which is ideal for team-based projects. Lastly, choosing public will make the board visible to anyone with the link, so this option is best for content meant for a broader audience. After you've settled on a name and chosen the appropriate visibility setting, go ahead and click Create. Voila! You have now created your Trello board. Congratulations on taking your first step into the world of digital organization. Remember, Trello boards can be customized further with lists, cards, and labels, allowing you to tailor the board to meet your specific project needs. You can add as many lists and cards as you like, drag and drop items, set due dates, and even assign tasks to your team members. This simple process opens the door to a powerful tool that enhances your productivity and keeps your projects on track. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes your journey through project management a little easier. Thank you for joining us today, and happy organizing with Trello!